recording.
Yeah?
You just leave it there and then record the whole thing.
I'm recording it right now.
Are you?
Great.
Yep, so if I hiccup again, I'll catch it on camera. Come on, Danny.
Oh. Whose idea was it to add me to that call yesterday?
Hey, I'm not taking as many breaths as the other time.
Whose idea was it to add me to that call yesterday?
To what?
Whose idea was it to add me to the call?
Well,
What?
Roger's friend Sam came on, and we wanted to add him, but I didn't have him on my Skype. So,
Oh shit.
holy cow, look at that.
Holy shit.
It's a giant fucking lizard.
That is awesome.
Let's go.
Okay.
They should have recorded that.
He did.
No, but he saw you were on, so I'm like, you want to add him? He's like, yeah, call him. So I called him. Because he can't call on his Skype. I don't know why.
Probably something they do.
Probably. He can't use his personal laptop either.
Why?
Something to do with, like, tracking, I think.
Oh, they can't monitor him.
Yeah, they can't monitor his computer, which sucks.
Almost
But,
there.
oh well.
Just kidding.
And we are hiking that.
Yeah,
Don't be easy.
The next time I come up here, I'll just delete everything off my phone, and then I'll go ahead and start recording the whole thing.
Okay. Phew. I've got about
I'm really craving a cigarette. I don't know why.
2 minutes. Did you bring your cigarettes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so did I.
I'm not smoking any. Hey, I'm doing better than before. Huh?
Oh yeah.
What do you mean?
We gotta stop every like 5 minutes.
Just because you just wanted to smoke a cigarette?
No. I was out of breath.
Oh,
Every like 2 to 5 minutes. I was just dying.
was that the
When we
first
got
time
up
you
here,
came?
It was a lot worse for him.
Danny, was that the first time you came?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I had to stop a few times.
I didn't smoke till we got back down though.
Same. And as for the kids viewing out there, smoke responsibly.
Yeah, let's go ahead and say that.
Smoke and drink responsibly until you're 18 and 21.
Victor knows that.
What? What do I know?
I drink responsibly.
No, you don't.
I do.
Yeah, right.
I'm very responsible.
Danny, how old are you?
Oh,
How old?
I'm in my 30s.
You're in your 30s.
Just kidding. 24.
You're 24? Okay.
Oh, man.
Now, I think 27 is the cutoff rate.
This would be the trail going up that way.
You go straight up?
Next time.
Yeah, next time.
Fuck that. It'll be a while before I try that.
Yeah, let's build up our stamina first.
Yeah, exactly.
That's too crazy. Oh my god, my legs hurt.
No, it's not.
No.
Chicken.
No?
Yeah, let's stop right here. Ouch. Maybe we should have stretched. Maybe that would have been a good idea, right?
What?
Stretching.
I did.
When did you stretch?
When we were walking up here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna stretch. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
It's nice with the breeze.
This is pretty awesome. So far away.
What time did we go last time? Like 4?
Yeah.
Ouch, ouch.
It wasn't too bad. That was my first time.
Yeah. my god! Ew! That's nasty. I didn't know men could have cherries.
It was a bump and grind version. There we go.
I actually thought that was an Asian thing. That's weird.
There's a bus.
Where?
Hold on. Right there. See it?
Mm-mm.
You tried wearing.
Mm-hmm. I see it
Watch out
now.
this bush.
Oh, shit. Yeah, me walking into things.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Rocking the purple Keds.
Yep.
Or sunglasses.
Yep.
Keds or feet? Keds feet.
My friend
Feet
Crystal's.
Ked. Yeah?
Yeah.
Also his friend?
Yeah.
Okay. I have yet to meet these people. This sucks.
What?
Being so out of the loop.
I'm just walking this pace because I'm walking it with you.
All right. Is this your second time or third timer?
Second time.
Okay, me too. Holy cow. V, you're going too fast.
No, we're just going too slow.
Okay. I'm gonna run. Tyrannosaurus Rex legs. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
You really want me to run?
No, no, no.
I think so.
I'm already hurting.
Why are you running?
I don't know. Because it wasn't hurting while I was running. It's just when I stopped, I could feel it. What about you, Danny? You feel it?
Somewhat.
Somewhat?
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk into a rock. That won't be good. Dang, we walked that? Did we walk that?
Why? That's gross.
See? Holy cow.
Hey, how are you?
Oh my god!
Hi.
Hey!
Oh, sorry, I'm almost sweaty. How are you? How's the
pretty good.
baby?
She's good.
How old is she now?
2?
Oh my god, congratulations. I haven't seen you since. And look, you have nice color going on there.
Oh, thanks. I sat out in the sunburn.
Oh, really? My back, like, I was out too long on my back, so it's like I'm half white, you know, half brown going on there, you know?
Yeah.
I haven't seen Kristen lately, man. I think she's been gone and some university, but
I think it's near Disneyland.
yeah, I think so. Whatever, that's her favorite place, right? But it's good to see you. Get over here. I'm so sorry I'm all sweaty. You take care, okay?
You too. Bye. Bye. I'm coming. What? Did you say run? Okay. Just making sure. Oh, holy cow. I'm coming. I'm coming. Holy cow. Yeah, I'm fine.
You still recording?
Yes.
Why?
I'm at 9 minutes, 14 seconds. And that is the Garden of Eden. Whew. Holy cow.
That's not bad.
Yeah. And
Was
down.
she the one that you saw the other day when we were leaving my place that one time?
No, that was Corey. Yeah, when we were leaving your place, that was Corey. From dental assisting in high school.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah. My tummy hurt.
Drink some water.
I did.
You drinking too much?
It's the coffee and the water.
Throw it up.
Oh my god. I think I should. Fuck.
You okay?
Just turn around.
No, I'm okay. Yeah,
Here, let
that'd
me
be
hold it, actually.
super
I
fucking
want to record
disgusting.
that.
You wanna wait? What?
I want to record you puking.
I'm not gonna puke.
Puke on camera.
You should
Fuck
have.
that.
You should have eaten a banana.
Force your finger down her throat so she can puke.
No, I'm not gonna fucking throw up. That's nasty. Someone sit.
Here, open your mouth. You ready?
Okay, yeah, I'm good. Hold on.
Next time eat a banana before you leave.
No, well that's cramping and shit like that.
Oh shit.
She's fine. It's just because, no, it's not, that has nothing to do with that though.
It's the heat too. It's the
Yeah.
heat.
Probably.
Oh fuck, I'm not used to this. I should be used to
Is
this.
she feeling like how I felt last time?
No.
I felt like I was gonna throw up.
Throw up.
No, last time.
Throw up now.
I can't throw up.
Right now.
No!
Ha! See, how's it feel? How's it feel?
I couldn't make myself throw up.
You're anorexic.
It used to be.
No, actually, that's bulimic. Oh fuck, they're both trying to get
They're
skinny.
both
Never
the
mind.
same.
Yeah. I'm like, what? Wait a second. Hey, I see people. Way at the top, almost to the top.
Where?
The red thing, the red dot.
Where's the red dot?
Right there. Right freaking there. Right there, you see it?
No.
Way up there. Right there.
Are they on the... Which trail are they on?
I don't even see him where.
Right there.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
Show me where.
Right there. Straight ahead, you see it like an orange.
You see where the mountain kind of has the white going down it? Right at the tip. There's a little
Oh,
red
there we
dot.
go.
Yeah, okay.
Oh no, that was the guy that was over walking the zigzag when we first got up here.
Oh, dang, he's far. Oh boy.
You okay?
Oh boy. I don't feel good.
You okay? Sit down.
I'm good.
Throw up.
No. I refuse to throw up.
Well, I'm recording because I'm bored.
I like my food in my tummy.
No, you don't.
Well,
They call it seafood for a reason.
dude, we were playing Jeopardy in class today,
Oh, here we go. What's up?
and I was really tired beforehand. Like, I was fucking tired. And Carol's like she's a ditz, but she's really fun. And she was getting all the answers like that. She was on a fucking roll. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I need coffee. So I had some coffee, and I was on a roll too. Yeah, it's probably too much coffee. But dang, I mean, I'm just getting those answers like that.
You know I'm recording, right?
Yeah,
Okay. You want us to leave you behind when you want to stop?
no. Please don't do that.
Wait, where?
Oh
At
shit.
that corner? Or do you want to take it up there, like where I showed you the last time? Let's take it up there then.
Wait, is your camera recording?
Yeah.
Hi.
God.
Alright, I'm only going to do it in segments, like 15 and 15. Because like, you know that 30-minute video we did?
Oh yeah, how I didn't upload?
Yeah. Maybe it was too long.
I would do like 10-minute things.
Oh.
Danny, are you really ahead of me right now? Do I need to get ahead of you? Huh? Really, Seth?
Okay. Oh boy.
Don't puke on the camera.
No. I don't feel good.
Up.
Okay.
Hands up. Breathe.
Right.
Okay.
We're good to go.
Running.
No. No more running. Maybe downhill. Not uphill.
Not down the other way.
No, not that way. That way's too narrow.